Hello teacher, welcome to another video. In this video I'll demonstrate option 3 in category 2. So data cleaning. I clean a raw dataset stored in AWS S3 bucket without modifying the original files. So how we are doing that, I am running this code on locally in a Jupyter notebook. To access AWS, I use bottle 3, as we can see here. Um, with I use bottle 3 with my AWS Learning Lab temporary credentials, and with the correct region. This lets my local code connect to my S3 bucket and download the raw CSV directly from S3, and later on we are uploading the cleaned version as well. So this credentials I have took them from here. Then let's deep into the data. So here I initialized the paths where I need to take the data from and where I need to put the clean data. So I have downloaded the the data we have. So the data is about car listings. So we have some listings over here, some missing data. We can see, well, starting from useless columns, and um, we have here years as a float. Uh, we have here that some columns are not capitalized, and also yeah, cylinders. Car cylinders is like string, and um, maybe more stuff we gonna figure out in the code and in the cleaning later. So first thing I have done is choose the only the necessary columns that I think are necessary for me, and then I have dropped some records. So the records that have non-values in this columns, they will be dropped. And also the what we call it, the negative prices. So if we have some records that have negative prices, will be dropped as well. And um, I kept only the new cars like from 1990, and over here uh, removed I converted the year to integer, so the year is over here, and this is what we have for now. So as we can see here, the states are, we are not maybe familiar with all the states of US, so I have uh, made another full name of the states. So I have wrote this code to show all the states we have, and I give them to an LLM and ask them to write me the full name. And I have created another record over here. So these are the full states. And over here, what I have done over here is yeah, removing the spaces, the strip leading and the trailing spaces. Um, and we also made some capitalizing title case for this columns. And I have removed the state, which was like showing just a short form of the state, and I just kept the full state. What I have here, um, oh yeah, the models. So as we can see, a model is kind of showing a description, not a model. We can also see it in over here. So it's like showing the whole thing. It shows that it's a diesel, it's 4x4. It's a 6-liter engine, so it's like kind of description. So I have made a code that only writes the first word. So over here, first word that we have in the model. And I also created um, a budget range. So if the price is between this two, it's like showing the budget range. If it's created between these two, it shows this is the price, and it's created between these two. And we also have made some more cleaning over here. So I removed the cylinder. So the cylinder before was uh, this, so I made it as an integer. And I also what I have done else here is the odometer made it as an integer as well. Made some these columns as a title case, and I have made the train for them as well. I also have reordered the columns, manufacturer and model and years, and so on. So six, eight cylinders, and also the odometer. Where is it? Over here, so it's an integer. And here I uploaded the files to um to S3 bucket. So it's over here. All right, sir. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.